Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make perfectly juicy grilled pork tenderloin. This tenderloin is crusted with classic flavors and it's totally easy to make on the grill. You are going to love it. Start by preheating an outdoor grill to high heat, which is about 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you need one pork tenderloin, which is not to be confused with a pork loin, which would be much bigger. These are much smaller. Tenderloin also has a bit of a deeper pink color to it. This is a very tender piece of pork, so you want to make sure you use pork tenderloin and not pork loin. Then we're going to take 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and brush it right over our pork tenderloin. Make sure you coat the sides and bottom and ends with that Dijon mustard. You want the whole thing coated. Next, we're going to put together our seasoning, and it's a little bit easier if you do that in a small bowl first. You need a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Toss that together. Then we'll sprinkle this right onto the tenderloin. You can rub this in to the pork tenderloin and make sure that it sticks to that mustard and flip it over so that you get the other side as well. Then we are ready to head on out to the grill. Lay the pork tenderloin directly onto the grill grates. Close the lid and let this cook for about 15 minutes total. You want to rotate the tenderloin every 2 to 3 minutes so that it gets an even sear on the outside. Your tenderloin is done when it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it rest for about 10 minutes and then slice and serve. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.